Find the angle represented by A. So first step is what? What is that? I always tell, look at all the lines that A is associated with. Draw the lines, identify the lines, identify the parallel lines and draw them. So this is it. And then identify the parallel lines. So A is parallel to this, and also A is apparently parallel, or the line that the A is on is parallel to this. So there are two set of lines that A is parallel to. Okay. So let's start with one at a time because it's easier to work with. So first thing is this. Now this is A. I'm not talking about 42. I'm just trying to figure out A. So where else, what else A is equal to? A will be equal to this angle because it's vertically opposite angle. This angle because it is correct corresponding angle, and obviously this angle, this to our vertically opposite angle, but with the original one, this will be a, what is it? Alternative, yes, exterior angles, they're outside. Okay. Next, you have A is related to these two parallel lines as well. Identify the parallel lines, identify the intersecting line. These are the steps. Now we have this as well. So this is A, and this will be what? Yes, corresponding angles, and this two will be what? Correct, alternative exterior angle. This is corresponding angle. So can we somehow relate 62 to all of this? Can we do that? Think about it, how to do that. Let's consider 62 now, because there's nowhere I'm able to get 62 over here. Let me put it onto the original diagram. This is A. For all the reason, whatever the reason may be, we have written it over here. This is A, and this is A, and this is A. So can I relate A with 62 somehow from all of this? That's the question. This is the first step, identifying which and all places we can have A at. Again, guys, if you have a different line of thinking, if you want to go with that, please go with that. There are many possibilities. I'm just looking at, one of them of solving this, I mean. Okay, 62 is related to this bunch of lines, right? This is parallel to this. This is the transversal line. I can't use that actually. I need a different color. Right, guys? And so let us copy this. Now I'm looking at 62 also, because there's no other way forward. So 62 is related to this because of alternative interior angle. Then 62 is also equal to this because of corresponding angle. Now can I relate something to A? Oh, I kind of copied everything off. So this is A degree, this is A degree, then this is A degree, and this was also A degree. Well, this is 62 degree, and also this. I think this is good enough for me to continue. So once I have all of this, next step I would go to considering a line, this line basically, and this. I'm just doing that. So I don't want to copy from there. So this is 62 degree. This is A. So what can we tell? Yes, A degree plus 62 are linear pair. So linear pair, because of this, 62 degree plus A degree has to be equal to 180 degree. Okay, again the process. So if I have some value like say 2, okay, let me show it with different layer. Say I have this with 12. Okay, let me use 10. 10 plus A is equal to 12. So what is the answer? Answer is 2, right? How else can I get 2? 12 minus 10. You guys agree? So similarly, in place of 12, I have 180. In place of 10, I have 62. So as per this calculation, as per what we are looking at, A degree is equal to 180 minus 62. That will be 118 degree. So 120 and 118. Okay, yes. So this can be your answer. So this is a possibility. Again, possible way to answer it. Answer will be an exact answer. How you approach it, it will be different. Okay, again, see, systematic way of thinking, mapping out where A is or where A is, then figuring out 62. In this case, we had to go behind 62 also. Only then we were able to reach this point. Right? So yeah, sometimes you have to do extra bit. So there's no fixed answer for any specific question like this is the only way. Fixed answer as in fixed method. Sorry, I meant there's no fixed method to approaching any question. There are many possibilities. If you are able to find any different methodology or any different approach towards the same question, you can do it.